Hi, I'm Cassie from T10T Homeware Company Limited. This is laundry hamper. It also can be foldable. There's Velcro to post the lace attached on the hamper body. The handle is cotton rope handle for easy carrying. There's big space inside. You can put a lot of dirty clothes inside. There's a cardboard. You take it out, then foldable like this. It can load 4,900 pieces in 40 containers. Let's check the size. 45, 32, height 55 centimeters. Say goodbye to the floor-drobe. Bright and bold, this laundry hamper will help you keep things neat and tidy while introducing some style to proceedings. An attractive place to pop your laundry. It's got handles for easy moving, a snazzy addition to your home.